In this video, we're going to show you how to install the ignition coils on your Ford Focus located on the top portion of the engine. With the hood open, go ahead and locate the top portion of the engine right here. This is your valve cover. Now, there's going to be 4 ignition coils on this engine. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Underneath these ignition coils are going to be spark plugs. Now let's go ahead and start to remove these here. Let's disconnect the harness. There's a little spring tab. Push down. You can normally wiggle these right off. Now that we have the connector off, we want to go ahead and remove the 8mm bolt holding the ignition coil in place. It's going to be right on the back side here. So we're going to use our 8mm socket. Break that free and loosen it. Go ahead and remove that bolt. Now that we have our bolt out, go ahead and grab that coil, twist it up and out. Now before I install my ignition coils, I like to take a little bit of dielectric grease, put a little bit on the inside of the boot here. You don't want to fill the cylinder, but just a tiny bit. And then I like to put a little bit on the outside perimeter here. We're not caking it on, just a thin coat. Line that up and push it down and on. Install the bolt. And then want to go ahead and snug it down. Once it bottoms out, just snug it gently. Grab that wire, press it on. You're going to hear it and feel it click. There you have it. You want to go ahead and repeat this process for the other 3.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.